those, and I'm gonna eat them.
She gets so ticklish. But you got the look. I need to order another one of them.
No, it's like basketball. You miss a shot, you gotta forget about it and go down and do the same thing all over again.
That's how you really think about it?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Think about the last miss. You don't miss again.
Is that how you think about it? So, where's the wisdom?
Huh?
Where's the wisdom from Daddy D? So we're at the mall. We're gonna go to Hot and Juicy and get some dinner. He's all of a sudden anti-bone and crab now. We're not gonna lie, they've been messing this up the last couple times, but they gonna get it together. I think they need some new management or something. But we came to the mall to go to the Apple store really quickly to get the screen. Did you bring it? Oh yeah, to get the screen on one of the iPads fixed. We're debating about, that's his iPad, but Diamond has an iPad. So are we gonna give this one to Diamond and then give her the old one? Oh, Daddy can get them both minis. These for his birthday, Coach, for her birthday? Or you just gonna get it because you balling? That's what I thought. This lipstick is it's too bright. When you leave out the house and you think you look poppin', and then you get on camera and you just look like you're doing too much. It was the NYX store right there, so I just went ahead and used some of their lip stuff. I'm on an Apple store. I spy a daddy with two babies.
Yeah. Do you want to need an extra one of these, or can I buy it?
Hi, babe.
They don't fix the screens in the store, they actually ship them out to get like repaired.
So this is our old iPad. Diamond accidentally dropped it and it cracked. So it's been sitting up for a while. Babe was gonna go ahead and get it fixed, but they just said it's gonna be like $300 to send it out to get fixed. So you might as well get a new one because the mini is starting at $399, and then this one is $329 starting out. They only need the smallest ones because it's gonna be for the kids. So I'm thinking Diamond can get the big one, and Coco get the small one. Looks like you might as well get two big ones, but I just think that since she's so little, she'll drop that one so much more easy. But it's really no point in getting this fixed from what I'm understanding, because by the time you spend this, you could just pay $30 more and get a brand new one. And this little boy right here eased his way out of the stroller, per usual. They have a toothbrush?
Huh?
They sell toothbrushes? Smart electric toothbrush with artificial intelligence. They also have a smart jump rope. They have everything is smart now. It's not normal just to get a normal toothbrush anymore.
What's the difference?
It says it's by Colgate, but it says it's integrated with the family, so we can compare who's brushing their teeth the best. I don't want to compare to you. Papa, let's go. I'm sure he misses his iPad. He hasn't had iPad since. These are huge. I don't think I've ever seen that big one up front. It's like our laptops just without the bottom, the keyboard part. I feel like I would. But I feel like I would be more likely to break that. But Diamond's been doing good with iPad. He's addicted. He has his mini, and then sometimes he'll use that one when his mini goes out. And he has the older cell phone that he sometimes uses. And he's been about 3 weeks without any technology. I mean, of course, TV and stuff. But since he was potty training, I went ahead and put it away because I found that whenever we potty train, he'll be doing good, and then if he asks for iPad and I give it to him, that's when he would have an accident. So we've just been put it away altogether. And to be honest, he hasn't really asked for it. I don't mind him being on it, but I just don't want him to get distracted. Slow down, baby. Hi. What you doing? doing? Come here. You want to ask them how much they charge? Magic Fix. He's always obsessed with looking down at the people. Hi, Papa. What's your name?
Diamond.
How old are you?
Yeah, the kids.
It's the kids? Oh, okay. How old are you?
2.
And can you spell your name?
Yeah.
Spell your name for me. Can you spell your name?
Yeah.
Let me hear you spell it. Come here. What they say?
45 minutes, 50.
This boy has so much energy. Oh, shoot. You got so much energy. You're gonna fall. Stand up. Stand up. Elevator's coming. Step back. No, push 1. Good job. Go watch, go down. Go down.
This is fun.
It's fun?
Yeah.
Awesome. Wait, D. Come on.
We're gonna come back.
You swore he ain't been out the house in a year. Hey, we're not gonna run in the store acting crazy. Hi.
I'm not walking.
Yeah, you gotta walk good. Come here, boo-boo. So they released some foam posits today. They're all white. Derek ordered them for Dakota online. Or for Diamond online. I was trying to see if... Thank you. Come try them on.
I'm trying.
Derek ordered them for Diamond online, so I was trying to get some for Dakota to match. They don't have them for her, but I like this color. I like getting him like different color shoes. So I'm gonna see if these fit. I'm gonna just get him a pair of these because he needs some new shoes anyway. Measure your foot, Pooh. Do you do it with the sock on? Stand up, baby.
Stand up.
I never really did one of these since I was little.
Stand up straight.
That's a 9?
That's a 9.
So those should fit good, right?
It's directly at a 9.
So I think something runs funny with Converse. Remember? I can't remember if it was too big or too small. I just think it's a cool little color. Nice nuts. Mommy gotta find you some foams. What's next? You want the white foams like your brother? Or no? Oh, never mind. He's starting to have conversation like a grown-up now. It's literally the funniest thing. What's that? Oh, they came out with the for own little kids now? I wish they had colors. I like the orange and the blue and the red and the yellow. Maybe they eventually will if they do well. So we found a place to get the, oh, that's pretty cute, the little studs. We found a place to get the camera, the iPhone, what are we getting fixed? the iPad fixed. It took 45 minutes, so we went downstairs and I got D a pair of shoes, and then I found him he needed some basketball shorts, just some everyday lounge shorts because he doesn't have any that actually fit. So the kiosk place is right outside of A Express, and of course I love Express. I love their Portofinos, hence the top I have on today. I get them from Express, and I pretty much like them in every color. Like, they're really nice fit, they're comfortable, and I think they look really good on. But tell me, is this cute? So this is a really beautiful like kimono. And what's even cuter is that they have the little cute top to go underneath, so you can wear it with this top, or you can just do the pink. I actually like the matchy of this with like some kitten heels and a black top. He's at that point. He hit his max. All right, let's go. Hi there, Mama. It's all fixed. Like new. I get cabin fever being in the mall. Not cabin fever, but like, I just want to go in all the stores and I keep up picking up stuff. But at least today I got stuff for Diamond that he actually needed. Like, he actually does not have any shorts that physically fit him, so I did good. The funniest thing about being in West Hollywood is there are so many, it's basically the prime area of the LGBT community here in LA. So like, just being here, you see a lot of trannies or, you know, gay people, which is normal. But like, I just got the truck and there was a tranny. She was like, come on baby, work. Mind you, I have on like flip-flops and leggings. But I'm at Hot and Juicy Crawfish. I'm gonna pick up our order. I ordered it early, or on the way here, so hopefully it's ready. Hi. Pick up for Ashley? So I literally just grabbed the card, and of course she asked for an ID, so the food is ready, but I have to go all the way back downstairs to the car to get the ID. Actually, it could have let me pass, but whatever, especially because I have my kids are on the front of this car. Like, yeah, I stole a wallet, or stole an ID with 2 kids on it. But I have a really cool announcement for you guys. I would say it now, but it's too much going on, it's too loud and stuff, so as soon as we get back home, I'm gonna go ahead and film the announcement. So Diamond is up from his nap. I almost forgot to end the vlog, which is bad habit, but we had all this crap. Like, I showed you guys we went to Hot and Juicy and got some food. So the yellow is more so mine. I get lemon pepper medium. I know this looks disgusting, but I get 2 pounds of snow crab, lemon pepper medium, and then Daddy got Hot and Juicy baby spice, which is why our sauces looks different. And then we get this paper. Usually they give us 2 pieces, but then we gave us 1 piece tonight. That way we can spread it around the table and not make a mess. And then we get a side of rice, so that way we can like submerge that rice into the sauce, and it's really good. So that was our dinner. And then we get they give plenty of what do you call these things, gloves, so that way you're able to protect your hands. I'm about to go ahead and wipe the table down. And then we got a catfish basket for Diamond, but he's not hungry, so I'm just gonna sit here a little while longer and see if he wants to eat at some point. He ate a few fries, but not really. And so, huh?
Get some fries.
Get some fries?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Where you going? Where you going? Okay, say goodnight. You gonna take a bath?
No.
Let's go take a bath.
No. No.